Okay, this last video is where I'm going to work some, I guess 4 problems out where I'm multiplying polynomials, okay? So the first one is 7x squared minus 2, and that quantity is being squared. So I always like to write it out, because we all know when you're squaring something, even if it's like 3 squared, well, that's 3 times 3. 8 squared is 8 times 8. So 7x squared minus 2 squared is 7x squared minus 2 times 7x squared minus 2. So you're going to see me distributing like I would have done on any of these, where basically these are good examples right here of where I had to distribute more than one term, okay? So 7x squared times 7x squared will be 49x to the 4th. 7 times 7 is the 49. X squared times x squared is the x to the 4th. 7x squared times negative 2 is negative 14x squared. Negative 2 times 7x squared. So I distribute the 7x squared here and here. Now I'm distributing the negative 2. So negative 2 times 7x squared will be another negative 14x squared. Negative 2 times negative 2, a negative times a negative is a positive 4. Then we'll go ahead and combine like terms. So the 49x to the 4th by his little lonesome. Minus 28x squared, because you've got your minus 14, which is negative 28, plus 4. This one here, I'm going to distribute all 3 of these terms to these 2 terms. I may just change the order on it so I don't have to distribute 3 terms. I only have to distribute 2 terms. So I just changed the order, no big deal. Negative 5x times x squared is negative 5x cubed. Negative 5x times negative 3x. A negative times a negative is a positive 15x squared. Negative 5x times negative 1, and negative times a negative will be positive 5x. Now you're going to see me distributing this 1. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times negative 3x is negative 3x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. We will combine like terms at this point. So that will be negative 5x cubed. You've got your 15x squared plus x squared, which will be 16x squared. You got your 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, and then your minus 1. Here we'll do some distributing. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 5 is a negative 5x. 4y times 3x, 4 times 3 is 12, and y times x is x times y, or y times x. 4y times negative 5 will be negative 20y. No like terms there. Here again, we've got a quantity squared, so we'll be writing it down twice and distributing here, okay? 3x times 3x will be 9x squared. 3x times negative 5y cubed will be negative 15xy cubed. Hope my pen lasts. Negative 5y cubed times 3x is another negative 15xy cubed. And negative 5y cubed times negative 5y cubed. A negative times a negative is a positive 25y. When you're multiplying